Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to the Committee of Divisions. You are once again welcome to Freedom for Humanity. On this short broadcast, I want to talk on why delay. Why delay? There is a saying according to Jim Rohn, says, "Foolish is the man who will allow springtime to pass while dwelling upon the memory of past last harvest time." Someone misses an excellent opportunity just because he delayed in taking a particular action. I'm speaking to you watching this broadcast right away. We are in distribution period in the community of televisions, sharing abundance to all. For as many who has heard of TBC and refuse to take action, refuse to register, I'm asking you, why delay? Why delay? Does that any way describe you? Do you procrastinate? Who doesn't? The truth is, when the procrastinator finally picks up his or her mind, the opportunity will have gone. The opportunity will have gone. He loses the opportunity and wins the regret for keep double loss. The opportunity to become a cryptocurrency TVC billionaire is fast ending. We call on you several times to come on board, register, and be part of this world first abundance cryptocurrency, the billion coin, a stable coin that is perfect and is changing lives of a lot and millions of people around the world. Maybe you have laid some good plans for yourself for life, plans that have the capacity to launch you into success, but without taking action, I mean definite action, they will remain plans and maybe like that forever. Procrastination is the graveyard in which opportunity is buried. How much of yours is there? Don't just talk about what you want to do. Go ahead and do it. Many are procrastinating. I will register. There's still time. Promo will always be. Guys, I'm telling you, there will not always be time for promo. Promo is about to end soon. And guess what? It will be a lifetime regret. I challenge you all listening to this broadcast right now. Success comes to man who does what others are thinking of doing tomorrow. And what you put off till tomorrow, you will put off tomorrow also. So why not now? Why don't you register into the community of abundance now? Pay your admin fee, and guess what? You reward with a lot of coins that will make you a lifetime billionaire. You will live in abundance for lifetime. Why delay the celebration of your achievements? Why remain under the yoke of deferred responsibility? Nothing is so strenuous as the internal hanging of a postponed task. The work is not done, and yet your mind is not free from the thought of it. Even problems become smaller if you confront it one time. Yeah, even problem becomes smaller. So the excuse of I don't have the money to pay for the admin fee is an excuse. It's an excuse. On daily basis we spend money. Yes. But this is an opportunity to empower you and make you live a life of abundance for the rest of your life. It's worth paying the sacrifice. It's worth paying the sacrifice. Touch a chisel timidly and it pricks you. Grab it boldly and its spines crumble. That is TBC for you. guess what? Pay the sacrifice. And I salute all leaders in the house whom since inception of TVC, as inception of introduction of admin fee, program fee, we have been paying on monthly basis. By His grace, I don't miss my monthly program fee. I pay regularly. Over 4 years now. We are better for it. I challenge you, come on board. Tomorrow is great. I know you have an urgent task at hand today. Yes. And it gives such excuses. So what is holding you back? Roll up your sleeves and get down at it now. This is the right time. The promo is going, especially the annual 500 TBC promotion for annual payment is going. The billionaire status is rounding up, is ending up completely. Don't lose out of it. Be a partaker of this great, wonderful, God-given plan and God-given vision. I urge you, don't relent, don't delay. Come on board now. For as many who have not registered into the community of the abundance, if you check below this video, you will see the link there. Click on the link, register. You can join of our groups. And also, guess what? Call up me. I'm ready to attend to your questions anytime. We have 24 hours customer service ready at any time to attend to you. Guys, love you all. Don't forget, like this broadcast, like this video, subscribe to it, share to your loved ones. God bless you. TBC is my